So what day is it today? Well, you can't say. I mean, don't say exactly what day it is today.
PT Cruiser GT convertible day.
Purse.
Purse.
What temperature is it?
It's minus 10.
Minus 10.
Chill, it's minus freeze my nuts off. Look how dirty.
She's a little dirty, yeah.
I couldn't see out of them. Take a picture. This is the dirtiest this car's ever been.
Yo, is this a Focus ST?
Yeah, dude. I just put an RS badge on it because I got the rear diff delete.
Today's that day again, eh, Turco? Picking up another new car. Got the BMW hat on. That might give something away.
Yeah,
maybe.
We don't start parking these things on the street.
Well, I could fit 3 in the garage and 2 in the driveway, that's 5. But if we get a 6th, it ain't fitting.
Yeah, because you're going to get an ST after this trip.
I'm never buying an ST. Okay, so you're gonna go right here and right out at that road and then left at the highway.
Touch my e-brake is what I was gonna rip it up.
No, don't. The e-brake stuck yesterday so bad. So we're about 35 minutes from the shop now. 35 minutes. Let's go. What are we, 22 minutes in the SD?
Yeah, but if we had a Dodge Journey, it'd be 22 seconds.
Say that again.
If it was in a Dodge Journey RT, it'd be 22 seconds. It should be there by now.
Head southwest on Ebenezer Side Road toward...
So we got Rob Turco here. This man is the Ford Focus ST god. This thing will do 0 to 60 in 0.9 seconds when he's driving. It'll do 0 to 60 in 0.5 seconds when Michael Ryan is driving. The only man that knows how to drive this car better than Rob Turco right here. We're pretty much in your stomping grounds right now, back down in Southern Ontario. Rob here is from Cambridge. Cambridge represent. Whoop, whoop. And, well, we're coming from Sault Ste. Marie, which is like 450 kilometers-ish from where we are right now, I think.
Just over.
Yesterday, we made it from, like, Espanola, which is 2 hours outside of the Sault, to down here on one tank, and rolled into the gas station with... Thessalon. Yeah, so basically 45 minutes outside of Sault Ste. Marie, half an hour outside of Sault Ste. Marie.
Yeah, it was about 450K we went.
That's pretty good on a 40-liter tank. You're averaging, what, 10.8 right now?
Yeah,
pretty much. But basically we are making this video because we're half an hour away right now finally from picking up the last car of this whole car compilation business that we've been doing for the past few months. The 135 is back home. We just finished swapping the motor on that and it's actually running. It still has a misfire issue that I'm trying to sort out, but it is running. And now it's time for the last car of the year. So there's gonna be 5 at home, which is way too many, but I mean, I'm having fun and I like making these videos for you guys. So why not? Might end up selling 1 or 2 this summer, but until then, just gonna have fun. And I can't wait to show this car to you guys. So we're heading to a shop right now and we're gonna pick up this car. I've never seen it before. This one I had to have shipped in from Manitoba, which is pretty much over top of Idaho. And we're in the equivalent right now of being over top of New York, I would say. Like yeah, Michigan, New York, somewhere in there. So like it got shipped in a long ways, probably 1,500 kilometers, 1,000 miles. Got shipped to this shop for the work that's been done to it. I haven't even seen it yet. I haven't even sat in this car and just spent a ton of cash on it and still haven't even seen it yet. So I'm pretty excited to finally get in it for the first time and show you guys. This has been my dream car. If you've known me, this has been my dream car since I was a kid, like 5 years before I even had my first like beginner's license. I wanted this car. So it's pretty cool to finally get one. And Rob, my man here, is driving me, which which makes it even better.
Yo, you think they want to race?
These guys?
Yeah.
I don't even know if you guys can see that.
I'll race you to jail, pal.
Hold on. Yo, pull up beside them. I'll give them a 1, 2, 3 count. Oh, there's 2.
Oh,
there's
snap.
2.
Oh, I got a gap in OPP. Public offender transportation.
Rut-row. Rut-row, Raggy.
Yo, you want to go to Galplesby, bro?
Yo, is Brian O'Connor in there?
Yo, Dominic Toretto and the gang are coming behind me. They're about to bust open the OPP vendor transports.
We're coming for you, Brian.
Nobody turns their back on their family. Nobody.
Our family's in there. Family. Drop a gear and disappear. Ah! 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we're in 6. We're in 6.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
6. Oh, oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
You don't even close, bro. Yeah, get out of here. But that's Mike Ryan.
Now, I know what you're thinking, and no, we did not buy a PT Cruiser GT convertible, although it would be pretty sweet to actually have one. For the next part of the video, I let Rob record me when I saw my car for the very first time. In fact, I wouldn't even look at it until I knew he had the camera on, because it was such a special moment that I wanted to capture. So here it is, finally at the shop, finally ready to see my new car.
I want to look. Wow.
Just kidding. It's right here.
Dude. I can't believe this is my car. Look how wide it is. I like that. I like that a lot.
It's low, man.
It's pretty low.
It's
yeah.
low.
Wow. I don't know what that is. The previous owner was saying there was some sort of like silencer mode you could put on or take off or something.
Yeah, they're muffles.
This is the wing I had them put on. So this wing was from BC, and they just put it on because this is a touring package, so it wouldn't have come with one. But you can't, in my opinion, you can't have an Evo without a high-rise wing.
Guess what? You put your legs through here, and you got a table.
I could get a real cute picture of that. Got like 4,000 likes.
The real bibises. Bibises.
I wonder how many likes I could get if I take my shirt off.
Oh, does it come with that wallet inside there too?
I hope so.
Just keep. Oh!
Let me sit in this thing.
Me first. Just kidding.
No, definitely not me freaking first. Holy shoot. Wow.
It's clean.
It's not bad. Yeah, the bolsters are worn down a little bit. Not bad.
What's your noodle?
Hey, I actually fit in the seat, kind of. It feels kind of like your car.
Whoop! Whoop!
Yeah, that's the shifter.
That's wicked.
I finally got an Evo. Yeah, man. 121,060 kilometers.
Oh, that's nothing.
So you're talking about like 80,000 miles.
Yeah. That's
The
nothing.
wheel does go up and down, I think.
It
But
should be on the bottom.
I've always read they don't telescope.
They don't go in and out, but it should go up and down.
Yeah.
Wait, try pulling in and out.
No, they don't. Nothing. $55,000 car with not a telescoping wheel.
Should have bought a Focus ST.
Yeah. You know what though? People always complained about it, and I sat in a Rally Art like 5 years ago. And I was like, yeah, this works. But I've never sat in an Evo, and I'm happy to say it works. Like, I'm comfortable. Super comfortable.
Yeah, do 9 hours in it first.
Well, I'm about to.
We'll see you at the next gas station.
Yeah, for real. Time to go pay for this thing. So, this is an SST Evo, obviously. So it's got the 6-speed SST, which is notorious for being crappy. The problem is it's not really crappy. It just needs a special fix on shift forks 2 and 4 usually. He said sometimes 1 and 5 go out, but it's normally 2 and 4. So we're at SJL Custom Auto in Oro, Ontario. These guys do DCTs in Lambos, Evos, and GTRs. And there's literally like an entire graveyard
One.
of GTRs.
2.
Like,
The jitters over there. Oh, can we
all
focus?
these Evos and stuff all around here. but this one just had shift fork 2 and 4 done in it, and an upgraded 10-puck clutch, good for 500 wheel horsepower, and a new damper. So that was like a lot of money, and we got to pay for it now. But then we get to drive this car home and see how the SST feels, the way that it's supposed to be, fully rebuilt, fresh fluid, fresh filters, BBS OEM wheels, Brembo brakes, friggin' Evo.
You know what this Evo's gonna see this whole time on this drive? Let me show you. Let me show you. BAM!
Inside SJL's shop, we were absolutely shocked at some of the stuff we saw. Motors, transmissions, obviously Evos and rally arts everywhere. And the best part is, these guys are not just mechanics, they're engineers. All their parts are made in-house, like the 10-puck clutch or the clutch forks.
Really? What is it?
It's an SL600 V12 AMG.
V12?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
The focus will still be it though.
Look at all these transmission parts, man. It's a McLaren?
Yeah.
No. Sheesh. Oh, dude, look at the transmissions. It's insane.
Like, you go to live arm and clean yourself. Come on. I do all this stuff, right? In the middle of the driveway, the first driveway. Yeah, the lane is dirt. He's like, oh, he just chills under the cars. That's the money part. That's what somebody said in the fucking thing the other day. A booty, or something like that. Oh, it's like, we make them for the 335s too, and the M5s, and anything with DCT.
Yeah. Yeah, because the N55 335 has a, you can get with a DCT, not the N54 unless you get a 335 IS.
M3, the F90, or 390. So these are just the plates that go in between, so we grind them to specific thicknesses, etc. to get more capacity. Wow.
Is that my old damper?
I don't know if it's yours. I got the shit around here.
And you said that unless you see shavings, you basically can't tell if it's good or not, right?
So I can show you. There's one still together.
Look at all that stuff.
I know. That's pretty cool. So this is an assembled one, right?
So that's a clutch damper for an SST?
So you can see it's laser welded all the way around. So the only way that you can tell is by looking through the sides, or see these windows here?
Yeah.
You should be able to see through it because it should reset back to 0. The spring should push this back to 0.
Okay.
Right? So the fact that I can't see through that right now tells me that the springs are most likely broken.
Because the springs aren't pulling it back.
They aren't pushing it back. Yeah.
Okay.
So the only other way for us to know is when we take the transmission apart, if the fucking magnets inside that are on like the filter, for example, or in the sump,
Yeah.
if there's pieces, fragments of spring on there, then we know.
Wow.
We're learning a lot today.
Yeah, we're learning a lot, friggin' lot. We got to get on the road though. We got 6 hours ahead of us.
I still gotta stop at the restaurant. I gotta pick up Kingston too.
Well, let's get this thing home. You driving or me?
Me.
Thanks, broski.
Hoppers don't have coffee.
Oh, that's the best.
Two-sided turco in it.
Yeah. Better not. Oh man, wow, driving this car for the first time. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is a 2012 Evo MR Touring Edition. So it's got the adaptive headlights, it's got the auto climate control. Wasn't supposed to come with the big wing, but I added one anyway, and they installed it before I even picked up the car. It's got the leather on leather Recaros, and of course the SST transmission. And like, driving it is just so different than the BMW because like it's loud and it's got road noise, and like the seats are definitely not as comfortable, but they keep you locked in way better. The transmission is so fast, but most importantly, I'm driving an Evo. Finally, driving an Evo. I own this Evo. My name is on this Evo. I've wanted this car since I was 10 years old, and now it's mine. And it's so fun. Like, the 335 has coilovers, control arms, solid mounts, sway bar links, all this stuff. And like, this car has just coilovers, and it might drive better. Like, it's just, it hugs the road it's just awesome. I'm at a loss for words. I've still got another 400 kilometers ahead of me to get acquainted with this car. I've wanted this car more than half my life, and now I have it. Down to the color, down to the spec, down to the wing, down to the original BBS wheels. This is the car I wanted as a kid. Everything about it is perfect. I can't tell you how, like, you can see it on my face. I mean, woo. And it's not that it's like crazy fast, you know, it's quick, but like compared to the 335, it's not gonna beat it right now. Definitely not, but it doesn't have to. It's just the aura of driving this car after so many hours searching online for one at a good price, one in good shape, one with a seller I could trust, and all those things at a time I could actually afford it. It's just, everything came together. Unreal. And now AJ's calling me. I gotta take this call. He's gonna be like stoked. One sec.
Back home, finally made it. A little tired, but I gotta show you what the best part of this whole thing is. Walking out of the bathroom, walking out of my room, getting to the front window and seeing that.